So welcome to BISP Solution. The webinar title is Get Started with Oracle Supply Chain and Manufacturing, that is SCM. So in the day 5, an Oracle Fusion SCM inventory. First we will overview the Fusion supply chain inventory organization, then with the item master org, then we will go through the facility shift, how we can create the facility shift, facility workday pattern, and facility schedules, right? So that we will go through, and after that there will be a inventory organization. We will create a inventory organization in the application. So moving to the next slide, that is overview of Oracle Fusion SCM. So that is overview of the Oracle Fusion supply chain and manufacturing, in which you can see the supply chain management. In the supply chain planning solution is an end-to-end in the cloud. It provides effortless combine the demand insight and supply constraint and stakeholder input, and apply built-in machinery learning to improve the profitability while accelerating the customer services. And Oracle Fusion Cloud Inventory Management, that Oracle Fusion Cloud Inventory Management help us to meet the demand while optimizing the cost and increase the customer satisfaction. Now moving to the Oracle Manufacturing, the Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing helps you to streamline your global mixed mod manufacturing to make anything anywhere and intelligent and optimize the integrated solution powered by AI. Oracle Maintenance. The Oracle Fusion Cloud Maintenance is a smart maintenance management solution powered by the advanced technology. It enables the predictive maintenance and helps you to increase the reliability and uptime while reducing the overall cost. Oracle Order Management increases the profit margin, improves the customer service and executes the order faster. The Oracle end-to-end omnichannel order to cash solution orchestrates the order across multi-system, simplifies the product configurations, enables the dynamic pricing and global order promising. Oracle Logistics streamlines manage the sustainable transportation and global trade and distribution process to maximize the perfect order fulfillment, minimize the logistic cost while adapting the business disruption and the change in your supply chain. So Oracle Product Lifecycle, that is PLM. The Oracle Cloud PLM is collaborative platform that helps you to get your best ideas to the market faster by standardizing and structuring the data and the process that goes into innovating and developing and commercializing the product and services. Oracle Procurement. The Oracle Fusion Cloud Procurement capable in building the collaboration and analytics insight, drive agility, manage risk and increase margin. So in the analytics for the supply chain management, the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain, it is a pre-built cloud native solution for Oracle Cloud's supply chain that helps supply chain professionals uncover the underlying drivers to improve the efficiency, reduce the cost and ensure the customer satisfaction. So moving to the next slide. So to ensure the efficient management and optimize the material flow with a focus on the rapid order fulfillment and safeguarding the revenue by automating and streamlining and controlling the inventory operation both within the company and across the complex global supply network, gaining the real-time visibility into the inventory across the internal and external location, including goods in transit and the support time anywhere fulfillment with option such as dropship back to back and supply consignment. The inventory uses the comprehensive dashboard to review the balances and monitor and manages the material status for both inbound and outbound flow. Enables enhance the decision making, manages the cost, work capital to ensure that revenue and the customer satisfaction are precisely determined, the required inventory investment across the stock location to achieve the target services level, meeting the customer demand, the deliver the customer satisfaction, utilizing the Oracle inventory management and Oracle cloud demand management to determine the optimal inventory level and the replenishment policies for each item location based on demand forecasting, avoid overstocking or stock out. Set the consumption based replenish triggers the specific locations such as mini and max and periodic restocking, and the utilization of the Oracle Fusion Cloud Chain, the planning for more complex scenarios and large scale operations, performing the comprehensive costing including the indirect labors and overhead costing for precise inventory planning, work in the progress valuation and the profitability marketing management while gaining visibility into the company cost structure and supply chain operation. Support multiple cost methods and represents of cost, product cost, landing cost, tracking cost at the flexible level of granularity to optimize the profitability. Streamlining the intercompany transaction between the operating locations and the profit and cost centers, ensure the tax efficient transactions and accurate recording of goods flow between your company business unit without impacting the material flow, gaining full visibility into the inbound transaction and accrual and managing accounting for inbound goods and services receipts from the suppliers and internal transfer or trade transactions and efficient review and audit accrual and changes to accrual cost. In Fusion, in item master organization is a fundamental concept used to manage the items that share across the multiple inventory organization to item organization. The purpose of item master: the item master organization is responsible for listing and describing the item that are shared across the several inventory organization or item organization. For example, if there are inventory organization that tracks the inventory transaction in two warehouses, the item organization that is why the track item list in two sales catalogs. The item master organization would manage the item that are common to both. The best practice to ensure the efficient processing, it is recommended to have a single item master that includes an item and its definition, form of fit and the function only once in the item master. The item master should be kept distinct from the organization that stores and transits the item. While the Oracle Fusion Cloud application permits the multi-item master, it is crucial to exercise the caution when using such capability. For instance, it is might be available to the retain the old item master for transition period during the company acquisition. So let us move to the next slide, in which we will what inventory configurations is required in Oracle Fusion Cloud. So in this you can see that you have to add offerings in your implementation project. So that is product management and material management. So product details you will maintain in the product management, and the material relevant management in which you receive the material and inventory related sub inventory you will maintain. So that two offerings you have to take, then assign the business unit with the business function, that is receiving and material management should be enabled, and after that we will create item master in the inventory org, and after creating the master inventory organization, we will create schedules, and I will make a walk through that particular schedules, that is creating the facility shift and the create facility workday pattern and create facility schedules. So after that we will create location for the inventory warehouse location. So and we will create a child inventory organization. That is the today we will conclude with that. So let's navigate to the application now. So first thing is to take offerings. So let's take the offerings first. Let me log in. From the navigator, go to the My Enterprises, Setup and Maintenance. Manage Implementation Project, Overview. So that is ABC Implementation Project. Select the project. So I have already taken the two, that is project management and the material management and logistics. So we have already taken that particular from here. You can add the offerings, that offerings you enable from here, right? So that offerings you will take from here, right? So done. And after that, assigning the business unit function with assigning business with the business function, that is receiving and material management should be checked out. So let me go to the business unit, defining your business unit. Go to the business unit out here. Define your business unit. So go to the manage, assigning business unit with the business functions. So select your scope, select your business unit, select this business unit and save and close. So out here you have to select receiving. So the receiving should be enabled, and so as the material management should be enabled, right? So that material management should be enabled. I have already enabled that as we have loaded this through rapid implementation sheet. Now we are done with the two. Now we will create a inventory master inventory organization. So for creating the master inventory organization, let me search with the task name item organization, manage item organization. So go to the manage item organization. So go to task. From here you will create item master, right? So let's create that. It will be a master item. So in the out here you can see the create new and existing organization. So we will select the new out here. So we will say ABC underscore master item underscore mstr, right? Master, that is the name we are giving, that is ABC item master. And we will provide out here the organization ABC item mastr underscore org. So that is the name, organization name we will provide, and we will say next. We will not associate with any primary ledger. We will not associate with any primary ledger. Out here we will associate the my master organization, that is my ABC item master. I will select that, and the item group behavior will be definition organization, right? So if I go back, so here I will not associate with any, and usage is in item master. So you can see the usage in item master, and it will not associate with any of the primary ledger or say business unit. Any location I am not providing, since it is a virtual one, virtual inventory org. So say the next and save and close. So if we query that, let's query. So that is ABC master org. Let's search that. So this is the our master org. If you go to the manage organization parameters, you can see the parameters out here, which we had defined as a group behavior, as a definition organization. Let's save and close. Let's save ABC underscore item. Make it default, make it run automatically. So whenever we search, it will select that. So done with that, and after that we will create a schedules. That is schedules we will create that will be used in while defining our the child inventory, that is where your all records going to be maintained, right? So that is child inventory you will maintain. So let's go and create a schedule first. Let us create a schedule. Facility shift first. So that is manage facilities out here. Select that, and if I go to this particular task out here, so I have already created this schedule, that is ABC. Let's take a walk through that. The name, that is ABC US regular shift and ABC regular shift out here. The code I have provided 01. The starting time, that is 10 AM, and duration is 8 hours, and with the 8 hours you will provide. So ending time automatically this system will calculate, and the shift as select as a none, and save and close. After creating the shift, you will create workday pattern, right? So create the workday pattern, go to task icon. So that is a workday pattern. If I edit that, so you can see that pattern I have created, that is ABC workday pattern, and the name I provided. The length of days is 5 days, working days are there, and starting date I will provide a 1 to 5 ending date, and I assign that particular shift name, right? So that is ABC US regular shift I have assigned out here. After assigning this one, I done with that. After workday pattern, we will create a facility shift out here. So facility shift, go to the go to task icon, select the go to task icon. So you can see this is ABC US regular schedules I have created. That is category I selected as a work, and the effective start date I provided, that is 1/1/2020, and the effective to date, that is December 31st 2050, and the type I selected as a monthly. You can select as per the 4/4 week, 4/5/4 week, or 5/4/4 week. That depends upon the what kind of a industry you are following, that way you can create. So I selected a monthly out here, and it is active. The first day of the week is my Monday, so I selected the Monday out here, and the sequence I selected, and I provided that workday schedules, workday pattern out here. the ABC pattern what we have created with a 5 days length, right? So provided that and save and close. So that way we created the workday, the schedules related to ABC. So schedules we have created, we created location, so that where the inventory warehouse will be located. Let's create that warehouse location. So search with the task name called manage location. So go to the manage locations out here, select the manage locations. So manage locations, go to task, so it will land to the manage locations out here. From here create the location, select the location, say that is ABC underscore US underscore warehouse location 001. That is the location name, the name I am giving, the code as the same, so that is ABC global US warehouse location, warehouse stock location 01 New York City, New York, right? So out here I will go to the country out here and provide the ABC global US warehouse LOC 01. Go to the second line, so that is my New York downtown City Road, New York. So provide the zip code, select this particular one, so where we will provide that ship to location and receiving out here. So receiving site, say yes, that is my receiving site out here, and ship to and bill to also, this is official site also. So select that, save this. You can provide the inventory organization, or say what is the child organization. If you created that child organization, you can come to this particular page and provide the inventory org out here. Let's submit the same. Say okay. So let's validate that. Let's validate that ABC. So you see that particular location has been created, that is the ABC US warehouse location. So let me save this one, ABC underscore US underscore warehouse, right? Select that, save, run, say okay. So that warehouse location is there, right? Done. So we have created the location out here. So what is next? That is create inventory warehouse location we have created, and we will now create the inventory organization, right? So that is child inventory organization. So let's search with the task name called inventory org, search with the inventory org, manage inventory organization. So go to the out here, so that is inventory organization, select, go to task icon, so you will create from here. So that is my child org, so select that plus icon to create inventory organization. So out here you can see the usage, that is was item management, and this is inventory management. So we will create that our org, that is say the name I am providing 5001, and the organization name is ABC ABC US ABC 501 New York NY stock location 01, right? So let's give ABC in front of that. Let's provide the don't provide the space out here, just a minute. So out here we will provide the stock location with the, there should not be any gap. So that is the location, that is will be created under the usage, that is in inventory management, that will be your child org, right? So that will be a child org, and we will assign the management business unit, that is your business unit you will assign. So that business unit which we have assigned, this is the business unit, right? So that business unit will assign out here. With the business unit you have created, you attach your primary ledger. So you select the legal entity out here, you got a two legal entities, so that is the one legal entity which is attached to this particular business unit. And location you can define, that is a location coming from your business unit. If it is a different from that particular location, you will provide that location of that particular warehouse. So that is, we will provide that ABC, search with that, so ABC warehouse location, select that. So that is the our location of that particular warehouse, that stock is maintained out here. Select that and say next, and out here we will select our master org which we have created. So master org is, that is ABC item master, that we have created one, right? So that master, how you going to behave, is it a definition organization or reference organization? So it is if it is a definition organization, the whatever the you define out here in the master, it will, the your child org will use same as it is. So any, if you want a different a reference organization, it will be in the child, you can select your own reference details out there. There you can change your, how you behavior of that organization, you can change it out. So we will use the reference organization out here, and schedules which we have created, that is ABC US regular schedule, we will provide that one. And other things, location controller is required, I say no out here right now. So starting revision as a 0, and other details I am not going with that right now. Okay, so go to that lot tab and item tab. So other things, that is lot creation, will be taken care when we create that particular inventory org related to that. So how you want to create the, generate the number, so that is the unique number, or say so item control, how you want to control the generation, whether in the organization level or say user as the organization level, then you can provide the lot prefix and the lot generation. If the lot generation is there, so prefix you can provide, or if it is a user definition, so you can provide the definition that is user defined, right? So you can create your user defined lot generation and child lot control, you lot control will be there. So I don't want any uniqueness right now in the control. And if I go to the serial generation, how the serial number will be generated, so if I select this particular unique with the model of inventory item with the item level you want, or organization level one, or say with the user define, how you want to define that one, it depends upon the user, or say business call will be there. As per the business call you can define that, so you can provide the prefix related to that. So if you select the user define, then you have to provide the starting number, so or starting number, or say organization, or say unique inventory, or unique with the model, and the inventory item unique within the organization. So that is unique within the organization. Any unique within the organization means that any number will get generated that will be unique within the model, or say inventory item, right? So same number can't be used, that will be a unique one, right? So that will be the model I am selecting. And how the number will get generated, it will be item level. I am saying the item level, any prefix you want, so that is say prefix as ABC I want. Any serial number, system serial number, select the system serial number. If you want to select yes and no, select the yes, it will generate with the serial number whatever the system serial number is there, right? So let's serial number, provide that with the one that is the number, okay. And after that, go to the item sourcing. You can provide the pickup rule and pickup when we coming to that particular pickup rule, we will come to this particular page and update that. Let's save this and save and close. So let's validate our organization, search with that, that is organization 501. Let me search with that name. So so that is the ABC out here. Select that organization, search. So this is the organization, right? So that is ABC New York stock location, and the organization name is 501. Go to the parameters. If you go, so these are the parameters, right? So that's parameters we have defined, and we have provided our schedules out here. So that schedules we have created. So out here you can see the allow negative balances. It will allow negative on hand transaction. If you want that, you can check this one. You can use original receipt date, rounding the reorder quantity, that is a rounding the reorder quantity. If you want, you can enable that. Automatic cancel the transfer order of back orders. If you want that kind of a where the back orders should be cancelled, that you want, then it will automatically update that. You can check it out. Otherwise you don't want, don't check it out that one. So let's save and close and done. So we have created a master org. We created the master org, so that master org we have created out here. Then we created the schedules, that schedules and workday pattern, and the facility, that facility we create with assigned in the workday pattern, and the workday pattern is assigned to the facility, and whatever the schedules we created, that has been associated in your child org. So we also created the location, right? So let me move to the next slide. So out here you can see how the our inventory org we have created. We have created a one, so you can see the inventory stock maintenance. So it will be a virtual master, one master you can create, and so as it is associated with your physical inventory or say child inventory, that will be associated, that will be the real one. And out there you got a staging area. In upcoming sessions we will create the staging area such as sub inventory location and locators with the materials, with the material 1 and material 2, where they will be segregated with the row rack bins. You can segregate that. The lowest level of the inventory is the row rack bins are there, so that material you can track to a granular level, that is up to the row rack bin, that how the materials has been kept in that particular one. So that is in the sub inventory and locators, and in the upcoming sessions we will create those things. Okay, so that's it for today. So thanks for joining for the webinar, that is getting started with supply chain, Oracle supply chain and manufacturing. Thank you.